Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Ubisoft Connect runtime error in GeForce Now. Let's fix it guys. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solution. The first solution consists of two small steps. The first step is to clear Ubisoft Connect and GeForce Now's cache files. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. And now you just need to search for UB game launcher. Right click on it and select delete it guys. After deleting it, you just need to search for NVIDIA Corporation. Double click on it. And now you just need to double click on the GeForce Now. And now you just need to delete this cache file guys. Cif cache. Right click on it, select delete it guys. After deleting it, we have completed the first step. The second step is to change the server. To do this, you just need to close it off here, open up NVIDIA GeForce Now, click on this 3/ icon and select settings. In here you just need to scroll down and you just need to navigate to the server location guys, and you just need to change the server guys over there. In my case, I don't have the server location. You just need to locate it, and after that you just need to change your server location. After changing it, that concludes the first solution. Now you can check your problem resolved or not. If the problem persists, we can proceed to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uninstall and reinstall GeForce Now or Ubisoft. If you know which program is causing the issue, reinstalling the program can often help resolve such problems. To uninstall program causing the issue, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select the view by to category and select uninstall a program. And now you just need to uninstall the program you are having issue with. If you have games download from Ubisoft and do not want them to deleted, remember to back them up. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.